Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video we are going to complete session 11. I thought to complete the session level AADK task and lab in the same video, but making this app took way more time than I expected. So without wasting any time, let's begin. I will explain detailedly about each of these things what we are going to do in this app before what briefing everything at once. So let's go step by step. So first what we are going to do is we are going to open Android Studio. Okay. The Android Studio, what we are going to do is first, as usual, going to file, new project, and creating an app. There is no dedicated name for this app in the platform. So what we are going to do is we are going to just type session 10 app and we'll click on finish it. In this app, in the same session, we have three things to complete. First thing is the first code lab, which is about the list, and second code lab, which is about the grid, and the third code lab is about the icon change. Okay, so for understanding, I will show you what that means. Okay, first you are going to do lazy column and lazy row, which has only one thing at a time. For example, it is like a array, one after another. Okay, this is called lazy column and lazy row. And the second code lab is all about the grid sections, where it will be in side by side of two or side by side of three grid section. And another thing is the image small icon we are going to add here, the image that we are going to do. So first when you do this, okay, so many people were asking, even after copying the code, we are telling I am getting an error because you have the long file structure. I have seen in many of them who texted me and saying it's an error. I will show you how your file structure should be. For example, we are going to do two things. This is for the list. Okay, this is for the list, and this is for the grid. We are going to do two things. Okay, and this holds the data element of both the list and the grid, and this is our main file. Okay, so these things we are going to see carefully when I am doing. First you have to go to the session app. So Android, you have come to Android here. Okay, inside the app you have come to Kotlin plus Java, then you have come to first one, not the Android test and test, first one. Okay, just click new and go to package. Here give the package name as model. Okay, that's the first thing you have to do. Second thing, go click again and create another package called data. Okay, see, the name should be proper, data and model. Okay, data, the two packages are created. Now we have to create inside two things. One first thing is the affirmation for what, for the list. Okay, so let's go and create it, Kotlin class file, and paste and click enter. This will be created. So next what we have to create, we have to create a topic. Okay, so we will go and create again to model, new Kotlin class, and paste it. So two classes are created. Third one, we want a data class. So again we are copying data source. You can give any name, but still, yeah, data source. So all three classes are completed. Now let's fill this. So what does the first field have? So affirmation has import drawables and strings. As I said, it have text and images. Okay, for example, if this is a image here, it comes a small text describing about it. That is called affirmation or the list. Okay, so let's copy and let's paste this. So this is the affirmation. Okay, sorry, I came to wrong one. This is the affirmation. Okay, so let's next go to the topic. The topic have three things now. Topic is all about, as I told you, it's about grid. So it will have one more extra, the number of elements that is contains. Okay, number of elements one grid contains. So that will be an extra, and two things will be same: the name of the folder and the images which it is showing, whether it is related to certain groups. It's like that. Okay, so let's copy and let me paste it. And data source, yeah, data source is all about, we are going to use images for this is for affirmation. We are going to use four images: image 1, image 2, image 3, and image 4. And for the topics, we are going to use four images according to architecture, business, design, and music. The images what you are using, the image name should be same here. For if you are using anyone like image 4 for first one, the name should be image 4. And if you are using something else image, the name of the image and this should be same. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, yeah, I copied all of them now. Now next we have to change string.xml because they are going to show the strings. So some strings will be displayed, as I told, architecture, business, design, music, because we have written the back code, but UI should show, right, what we are going to do. So that thing, this everything is completed. Now second thing is, we have added everything, every code, but we did not have, you can see the red thing here, images, 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 everything is red. This is because we did not add image now. So what I have done is, you can see here, you can see image 1, I have multiple images. I just renamed it as the same as the code it is, like image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, architecture, business, design, and music. So what I will do is, I will just copy it and go back here and go to here, drawables. In a res you have the drawables, just click on it and paste it. Okay, just click on it and paste it, and it's simple. See, every architecture, business, design, image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, and music, everything is now you can see the errors are all gone. The errors which were there till now, like it was showing 16 or something, 12 something, it's all gone now. So next thing you have to do is about the grid one. The grid thing which is it is showing, you have to create a grid or an icon that shows whether what this group contains. Okay, so what you are going to do is, you are going to click on drawables and click on new, and you have a group called vector assets. Okay, vector assets, you have to click on that, and you will see a image called outline Android. If you keep same thing, you will see the same image. So we are going to change here, just click on the clip art and search grid. Okay, grid, wait, I have kept the name somewhere. Yeah, sorry, grain, not grid, grain, grain image. Okay, grain, did I write the spelling wrong? Okay, grain, what is that? I think the image is not showing. Let me take something else now. What I will take, I will take something like this. Okay, this as an image, and give the name as I see green, green, yeah, and click on next. Here is the icgreen.xml and finish. So now you can see, I guess every error is gone now. After we have added everything, every error is gone. You can see the grain image here, a small, I cannot zoom it here, but the grain image is here. Okay, this is the affiliation, this is the topic. Make sure that you are adding the correct file in the correct directory. If you are going to, I saw someone's file path, whatever the file I have told, he just copy pasted here inside app. If the path of the file is not correct, the program will not run. That's simple as it is. So you have to make sure that every single file that you are adding is going to the correct place, because you are giving a path here. For example, affirmation.image, that means the image that it is taking, so it takes the information from here. Okay, you have given images, so it will go to the data source and it will see affirmation.image. Okay, the image is one, so it is connected like that. So you cannot throw random things like file wherever you want. Okay, so now let's run the app. Okay, it's running. Building grid. Yeah, it's running. So let me show my mobile how it is now. See, these are the apps we have done till now, like business card, dice roller, lemonade, tip, and others. I think we have launching on device. Yeah, yeah, it's launched. So let's go to the device. See, these are the two things. Here is a show grid button. It is like the if statement we are using. For example, here you have, see, if you come here, you can see if show grid, courses grid, else affirmation. That means if you click on this, it shows that if it is showing, if you want grid, it will show grid. See the symbols what I added, that I see green is here now. It shows how many images are here, whether it's a random number that I have given, but it will show. You can use this, for example, you can use this for an phone gallery. In your phone gallery, the it is differentiated, like some are videos, some are gifs, some are what images, and some other things, some are from WhatsApp, something like that, right? So it works same as that. Okay, you can see show list and the strings what you have, you are capable of amazing things, and you can use random images as well. So this was all about the session 11. So I will add every file in the GitHub and give you the link in the description as well. So tomorrow morning I will be uploading the AADK task and lab task, which is more on the logic side, how this program runs and why there is a if statement, everything I will explain in there. So till then, stay tuned for more videos and keep coding. Thank you for watching.